This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, March the 1st, 2013. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at noon today. We have a trough over the eastern half of the country, a ridge pumping up over the west, and some energy scattered about across the south and up into the Great Plains states. That'll be enforcing a few flurries or snow showers, mainly to our southeast across the Ohio and Middle Mississippi River Valley, up into the eastern Great Lakes. New storm moving into the north and west, and maybe some more sunshine around here today, with highs in the 20s and 30s, and even into Saturday as the snow flurries and snow showers move off to our south and east. Warm air starts to build over the plains and into the mountains, but it'll be taking a while to get here. So Saturday still remains cool. Sunday remains cool as clouds begin to increase with temperatures in the lower 30s, mainly as the winds switch around to the south and west. That'll begin to melt some of the snow that we received earlier this week. But unfortunately, it looks like we're going to have more snow here Monday to start off the new work week. Maybe a little bit of mix in there as well if we get enough warm air at the surface. This will be a storm to watch in future days. And that storm moves off to our south and east here Tuesday. High pressure comes in. Temperatures do cool back down into at least the mid-20s to lower 30s across the state. Maybe some lingering clouds in the southeast half of the state. Wednesday, the high pressure is now off to our east. Winds begin to turn southerly again, so temperatures warm back up well into the 30s, maybe approaching 40 in some of our southwestern counties as a new storm moves into the west. And Thursday looks to be quite windy across the state. South winds gusty, probably 10, 20 miles an hour, maybe up to 30 as a new low forms over the Nebraska Panhandle. And then we move ahead to Friday. Next Friday, we have a trough now over the west, an upper level feature over the desert southwest, some energy across Lake Superior, ridge over the south and east. And with this is going to bring a storm system our way, maybe a little bit of sprinkles or shower activity ahead of it around here. Some snow up across Minnesota into the Dakotas and across Colorado and Utah. And readings fairly decent. A couple days after that, on March the 12th, we have pretty much a zonal flow across the country at this point, and big upper level feature over eastern Canada. Another piece of energy coming into the Pacific Northwest. And we could see a little bit of showery activity with some snow well up to our north. Temperatures, if this would be right, would be well into the 40s if this is right, depending on how much snow we have on the ground by that time. At the end of the forecast on March the 16th, now we have a ridge over the south and east, and a trough over mainly California and just off the west coast of California. A southwesterly flow aloft is going to keep us fairly active. A little bit of snow activity just to our north, a storm up over New England, a bit of rain and thunderstorm activity over the south, and some rain and mountain snow in the west. Looking at the satellite image from last evening, we had some low and mid-level clouds across the Midwest with the continuing, lingering, annoying snow that seems to not want to leave. Some clouds moving into the Pacific Northwest as well. The watch warning map from last evening was fairly quiet. Some winter weather issues in northern Maine across the Appalachians. Freeze warning in a large part of Georgia. Some flood issues there as well. And some avalanche issues over the northwest. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing a band of pretty decent precipitation across the state, maybe a quarter to a half an inch. And that'll be mainly in some rain or snow.